Hi guys, today we're going to look at commas. So within a sentence, commas are used to set off introductory words or phrases. They can also separate words in a series or a list, or they can divide two independent clauses joined by a coordinating conjunction such as and or but. So for example, an introductory word would be wow. That was such an exciting game. So wow is the introductory word, and you would put the comma behind it. A list or a series, I have to buy milk, butter, eggs, and flour. So I'm listing out all the things that I need to buy at the grocery store. So I put a comma behind each of those items in my list. Or we're going to divide two independent clauses. And remember, clause is two independent sentences, so we're putting them together into one. Joining those together with a conjunction, such as the word and or but. So, for example, it started to rain, but Sandy had an umbrella. So I put a comma behind the word rain and right in front of the word but. If you'll also notice, I paused each time I was reading one of those sentences right where the comma would be. Wow, that was such an exciting game. Notice the pause in between wow and that? So here we go. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the first few of these. Number one, suddenly there was a knock at the door. Did you hear where I paused when I read that? That's right. We're going to put the comma right here. Then you're going to rewrite this sentence using the comma in the correct place. Number two, Sarah, Jamal, and Betsy had arrived. So this one is a list or a series. So we're going to put a comma behind Sarah and a comma behind Jamal. We do not need to put a comma behind Betsy because the list has ended. Sarah, Jamal, and Betsy had arrived. All right, let's go ahead and try. Don't forget to rewrite this sentence. Make it the correct way. Betsy wanted to do homework, but Sarah wanted to watch a movie. So notice how we have two independent sentences. Betsy wanted to do homework. Sarah wanted to watch a movie. But they joined them with this coordinating conjunction right here, the word but. So I'm going to put a comma right behind the word in front of the word but, and then rewrite the sentence. That's it for this page. Your job is to finish this page and complete it independently. Now guys, this is a little bit embarrassing for Mrs. Neuenfeld. I forgot to bring home the packet for Monday work, so I can't remember which closed syllables page I assigned you. So I'm just going to go ahead and go through both of these pages, just in case one of them is correct. So, closed syllables. Let's take a look at this first one. What you're going to do is you're going to write the spelling word that completes each sentence. So let's take a look at the spelling words for this week. We have swimming, disgust, forget, capture, accept, distance, campers, and summit. So swimming, obviously, if you're swimming in a pool, you're swimming in a lake, you're swimming in a river. Disgust is what we're doing right now. We're discussing closed syllables. Forget, I forgot the answer. I forgot which one I assigned you. Capture. So capture could be a couple different things. I am capturing my screen right now by taking a photo of it. Could also be I'm going to go capture the bad guy. Accept. So I would do that, except I have to watch my football game today. Distance, how far something is. Campers, people going out and camping. And summit would be the top of a mountain. Okay, so we're going to write the spelling word that completes each sentence. Don't blank about the birthday party tomorrow. Don't what? Don't swimming about the birthday party tomorrow? No. Ooh, don't forget about the birthday party tomorrow. That makes sense. So you're going to write in the word forget. Okay. Number 2, Manny takes blank lessons at the pool every summer. Well, what would you do at a pool? That's right, you would go swimming. Number 3, they blank the problem and found a solution. They discussed the problem. So they talked about the problem and found a solution. Did you blank the moment with your camera? What am I doing right now? I'm capturing. So capture the moment with your camera. When he climbed to the blank, the view was amazing. Well, what happens when you climb to the top of something? Usually the view is amazing, and that would be the summit. And our last one for this is, I like all fruit. Grapes. I like all fruit, but I like grapes. I don't like grapefruit though. I like all fruit except grapes. All right, let's take a look at this bottom section here, if this is the page that I assigned. Wetsuit is to scuba diving, as bathing suit is to, so these are analogies, so we're comparing two things that are similar. So a wetsuit goes with scuba diving. Those two things go together. So what would bathing suit go to with our spelling words up at the top of the page? Bathing suit is to what? That's right, swimming. Skiers are to winter, so people that go skiing in the winter. Are blank are to summer. So what's something that people do in summer? That's one of these spelling words. As swimming is to summer. No, we already did swimming. It can't be swimming. As campers. As campers are to summer because most people go camping. Lost is to found. Lost and found. Well, those are two opposites, right? So lost is to found as release. So if I let something go, what's the opposite of letting it go? Capture, right? Capture. Lowest is to the base. So the lowest point of a mountain is called the base of a mountain. The highest point of a mountain is the summit. Excuse my handwriting. All right, I'm going to let you finish this up, and let's take a look at the second page just in case I assigned this one instead. So we're going to divide these spelling words into syllables. Syllables. You're going to write one syllable per line. So when you're breaking these, the easiest way to do it is you're looking for the two consonants when they're side by side like this. Forget. Just draw a line through it and write for. Get. Okay, so let's look at campers. So where's the two consonants? So consonants are letters that are not vowels. The P and the M right there. So cam, purse. So C-A-M-P-E-R-S. All right, except. This one's a little trickier. It's actually right here, except. It's towards the beginning of the sentence. And our last one that I'm going to do with you, summit. Up right here, double M, double consonant, S-U-M-M-I-T. Okay, and you can finish these ones on your own down here. Once again, look for those two consonants right next to each other like that, and that's where you're going to break them. All right, let's take a look at the bottom part of this page. Write the spelling word that matches each definition. So the peak of a mountain is also called the summit of a mountain. The amount of space between 2 points. So if I have point A way over here and point B, if I have point A right here and I have point B way over here, what is this called? That is called the distance, distance. If I examine or debate something, I am discussing it. If I fail to remember it, I have forgotten it. If I exclude somebody, what am I doing? If I exclude somebody, or if I exclude a different food, it is also the word except. I'm sorry. Yes, except. And then to catch something or seize it, if I'm running after my cat, I am trying to capture her. All right, that is it for the day. So hopefully one of these 2 pages is the one I assigned for you. I apologize that you had to sit through this first part if that wasn't the correct one. And otherwise, we'll be doing the other one next week. So you've already got a clue to what the answers are. Thanks, guys. Bye.